Hi, this is Mackenzie with the company Jorlink. I'm going to be showing you how to replace the main PCB board on a Purex 800i. First of all, make sure that the machine is unplugged from your power outlet. Next, make sure you've got tools. You will need a 2mm Allen wrench, a screwdriver, a wrench, and most of all, the key that comes with the equipment. This is a triangle type key that came with your unit. You're going to open up the door, and it's always a good idea to take a picture of how this looks, but this is your main board right here. You've got a number of connectors that are pretty easy to be able to unplug. So you just go ahead and there's a little the connectors have a little lip at the bottom that if you push down on it, they're pretty easy to remove. So you've got two connectors here. You've got what looks like an Ethernet type down here as well. You've got another connector down here. Like I said, there's a little lip, and sometimes they're a little tough, but just make sure you move the little lip away so you can unplug. Do not pull from the wires because that can cause the actual connector to come loose. So this is all the wires. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and basically right here 7 other connectors. You then have some hoses that you just remove. You will use a wrench to loosen up 1, 2, 3, and 4 locking screws. In order to carefully remove the actual PCB board. This PCB board is the 400/600 PCB board from Purex. When you receive the new board, make sure that there is a switch out here for either 115 or if not 230 volt AC. Make sure that this has been set to the proper voltage for your location. Once you do that, it's just as simple as putting it back in the same way that it came back out. It's always good to have a helping hand if there's anyone available, but it's just as simple as putting things back in. So you've got 4 holders that you need to lock back into place. And again, 1 connector here. Plug it in nice and straight. Connect this connector here. The Ethernet. 1 up here. Do not forget the air hoses. There's also 1 wire harness that locks in with that 2mm Allen wrench that we spoke about before. So to double check, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 for the screw, and 10. Everything looks nice and tight. Carefully close your door and lock it into place. This shouldn't take you any more than 5 to 10 minutes.